DJI Mavic Pro Quadcopter Drone Fly More Combo Pack with 4K camera and Wi-Fi, 3 batteries, DJI Custom Case, Charging Hub, 3-piece multi-coated filter kit, VR goggles, virtual reality experience. Product features: the DJI Mavic Pro folds down as small as a bottle of water, making it small enough to bring with you everywhere. New OcuSync transmission system offers up to 4.3 miles, 7 kilometers of transmission range. Fly at up to 40 miles per hour, 64 kilometers per hour, or for as long as 27 minutes. True 4K, fully stabilized, ensures smooth footage. ActiveTrack, TapFly and other smart features make professional-looking video effortless. Obstacle avoidance combined with sensor redundancy increases flight safety and reliability. Vision positioning paired with GPS and GLONASS ensures precise positioning indoor and outdoors. Fly by phone over Wi-Fi for even easier flight. The DJI Mavic Pro is a small yet powerful drone that turns the sky into your creative canvas easily and without worry, helping you make every moment an aerial moment. Its compact size hides a high degree of complexity that makes it one of DJI's most sophisticated flying cameras ever. 24 high-performance computing cores, an all-new transmission system with a 4.3 miles, 7 kilometers range, 5 vision sensors, and a 4K camera stabilized by a 3-axis mechanical gimbal are at your command with just a push of your thumb or a tap of your finger. Unobstructed, free of interference, when FCC compliant. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.